Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today we will be solving the inequality minus 6l plus 2 is less than 14. We will go through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. Solve the inequality. Negative 6l plus 2 is less than 14. First, we need to isolate the variable term negative 6l on one side of the inequality. To begin, we'll subtract 2 from both sides of the inequality to remove the constant term 2 from the left side. This is necessary because we want to isolate the term containing the variable for better clarity and simpler calculations. Starting with the inequality negative 6l plus 2 is less than 14, we subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 6l plus 2 minus 2 is less than 14 minus 2. This simplifies to negative 6l is less than 12 because 2 minus 2 cancels out to 0 on the left side, leaving us only with negative 6l, and 14 minus 2 equals 12 on the right side. Now our new inequality is negative 6l is less than 12. We will continue solving for l in the next step. Step 2. Continue solving the inequality. Negative 6l is less than 12. In this step, we need to isolate the variable l by removing the coefficient attached to it, which in this case is negative 6. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by negative 6. Dividing by a negative number reverses the inequality sign. This is a crucial rule to remember when working with inequalities. Starting with the inequality negative 6l is less than 12, we divide both sides by negative 6. Negative 6l divided by negative 6 is greater than 12 divided by negative 6. This simplifies to l is greater than negative 2 because negative 6 divided by negative 6 equals 1, and 12 divided by negative 6 equals negative 2. So the solution to the inequality is l is greater than negative 2. In interval notation, this is written as open interval negative 2 to positive infinity. To recap, the inequality L is greater than negative 2 tells us that L can be any value greater than negative 2. In interval notation, open interval negative 2 to positive infinity indicates that the interval starts just after negative 2 and extends indefinitely to the right. This completes the process of solving the inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.